back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to code a madlib.
Now, once you have installed it, you have to click on the icon. It should open and it'll show the screen for about, well, first it's going to show you what you want your directory as a workspace. So click on Browse and click on Documents. You normally want to save it in Documents, but if you don't want it in Documents, you can save it in any other place like pictures, videos, it doesn't matter really. I'm going to save it in Desktop and you're going to have to make a new folder. I've already made a folder. And now if you double click on it, this is gonna be a directory. Whatever project you do, it's gonna be saved in this. Just select on it and click launch. Now while it's launching, you're gonna have to wait for a little bit. It will slow down your computer a bit because it is a heavy process. I mean, it needs to process the code, so it makes sense that it's gonna be slow. Now, when you open it up, inside of this thing, on top there should be a file. Click on file. Then don't click on new, hover over new. Then go to Java project. Click on Java project. I've already made a Java project, but I'll show you how to make one again. Just name it something. And then I think you should have Java installed on your computer. If you don't, go download it now. Just search Java. And it should be a SE Java. You have to download that. And then once you've named it, you have to click next. And then click finish. So anyway, I've already done it. I'll just cancel. So now you'll have this called well, I've named it Astro assignment, but yeah. So now next click on new. Inside of this project, you want to make a new class. Click on class. Well, first you have to make a package. So not wizard. You have to click on the side or else you'll go to wizard. If it goes to wizard, that's also okay. But you have to type for it again, like what you want. I want a code. No, package. Yeah, it'll give you the package, but anyways, that's not what you need. You click on the side, then click on package here. Package should be here. Yeah. Next, you have to give it a name. Name it code. Name it code and don't do anything like this. Okay, and you have to click on OK or else it won't work. Then go to class. It should automatically go to the package code which you've named. Give it a name. It should be capital first. And then click on public static void.main. Click on that. It's very important. And I think that's enough. Then you click on finish. I'm going to click on cancel because I've already done that. Now, first you go to your class file. It's going to be named Java file. So here's our Java file. When you've clicked on it, this should automatically open up and it'll be empty. So first what you need to do is type package code. I'll send all this text and code in the description, but I'll just explain it now. Package code means it's taking from the package code. Import Java util scanner. Scanner is a utility in Java. It's used for checking the user's input. Whatever the user types, that's what it's gonna put into the server. And then when you use the output, see, I'm using the same thing. This should automatically come. This should automatically come. If it doesn't, type it public class story and public started void.main. Next in scanner input meaning like whatever the user gives will be saved. So we're gonna ask the question system.out.println. It's gonna ask the question, name a adverb, and we have to type an adverb, which means we're gonna save whatever they type. It's gonna be string, which means it has to be a word, and this is gonna be saved as a variable called adverb. This is very important, saving as a variable. Next, we want the same thing. We want to just copy paste the same code, maybe 5 times. Name verb, name noun, name a word, and name body. Yeah. And then system.out.println. This is what final part is. So basically, we're gonna put some text here. I have the story here. If you want, you can copy paste this, but I'll give you the code anyway, so it'll already be there. You can put whatever story, but when you're putting like the words, they have to be in like the semicolons. If they're not in the semicolons, they'll take it as a variable, and if you haven't divided the variable, that'll become a problem. This is a variable, it shouldn't be, and whenever you put two between, there should be a plus. There's a plus here, there's a plus here, you just do that. And then at the end, save it. Click Ctrl S. Then you have to go and click on this green icon called run. Click on it. It's gonna ask name a adverb. Name a adverb. I'm gonna add quickly. Name a noun. Cat. Yeah, dog. Name a verb. Any verb. Name a word. I. Whatever happened to quickly. It's a funny part. Whatever you put's gonna come here. The milkman, the viper, boy, the dog, wherever you run, wherever you run. There's an eye to hold on to. Okay, that's really stupid and funny, but yeah, that's all actually. So I'm gonna put the code in the description, and I'll give you the link for Eclipse and Java downloads. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed.